The circulatory system, also called the cardiovascular system, is responsible for transporting oxygen, nutrients, and waste throughout your body. It consists of three main parts: the heart, blood, and blood vessels. What is your pulse rate? To check your pulse, place the tips of your index and middle finger on your wrist. Feel your pulse and count the beats for 15 seconds. Then, multiply that number by 4 to find out how many times your heart beats in 1 minute. Where does the pulse comes from? Today you will. Name and describe the main parts of the human circulatory system. Describe the role of the heart, blood, and blood vessels. The human circulatory system. Function: to transport blood, oxygen, and nutrients to the body. Has three main parts: the heart, blood vessels, and blood. The heart. It works as a pump to move the blood around the body. The right atrium takes in blood carrying carbon dioxide. Blood is squeezed down into the right ventricle and taken to the lungs, where oxygen replaces carbon dioxide. Oxygen-carrying blood from the lungs enters the left atrium. Blood is pumped into the left ventricle and starts its journey again throughout the body. Blood. It is a special fluid primarily contained within the blood vessels. It has four main components: red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, and plasma. Red blood cells carry oxygen, nutrients, and wastes. White blood cells fight diseases and protect the body from infection. Platelets gather at the site of injury and help the clotting process. Plasma, straw-colored liquid where the other components float in. When someone has a blood test, a small amount of blood is taken and kept in a tube for testing. To closely examine it, blood undergoes component separation. One common method involves spinning it at very high speeds in a centrifuge. Blood is divided into its components, with the heaviest parts at the bottom. Blood vessels. These are tubes or channels that carry blood throughout our body. There are three types of blood vessels: veins, arteries, and capillaries. Each one differs in size and structure. Artery. It has the thickest wall of all three, allowing it to withstand the high pressure created by the heart. Capillary. It has the thinnest wall to allow substances such as oxygen and sugars to pass through its wall, into or out of the blood. Vein. It is less muscular and stretchy than an artery, so blood moves through it with low pressure. It also has a special valve that helps blood go only one way. Artery carries blood away from the heart. Capillary assists in the exchange of substances between the blood and tissues. Vein carries blood back towards the heart. A recap. The circulatory system delivers oxygen and nutrients to the body while also removing wastes. Heart, muscular organ that has 4 chambers, pumps blood around the body. Blood has 4 components: plasma, red blood cell, white blood cell, and platelets. Carries oxygen, nutrients, and wastes. Blood vessels has 3 types: arteries, veins, and capillaries. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more amazing science videos. Stay curious and take care of your heart.